初级短语1000句，每天10分钟磨耳朵，一个月听懂英语。
Hi. How's your day going so far?
Hi. How's your day going so far?
嗨，你今天过得怎么样？
Hi. How's your day going so far?
Hi. How's your day going so far?
Lovely to see you here today.
Lovely to see you here today.
今天在这里见到你，真高兴。
Lovely to see you here today.
Lovely to see you here today.
What a pleasant morning it is.
What a pleasant morning it is.
多么愉快的早晨啊！
What a pleasant morning it is.
What a pleasant morning it is.
Did you sleep well last night?
Did you sleep well last night?
你昨晚睡得好吗？
Did you sleep well last night?
Did you sleep well last night?
I'm doing great, thanks a bunch.
I'm doing great, thanks a bunch.
我很好，非常感谢。
I'm doing great, thanks a bunch.
I'm doing great, thanks a bunch.
Don't forget to drink more water.
Don't forget to drink more water.
别忘了多喝水。
Don't forget to drink more water.
Don't forget to drink more water.
You should take an umbrella today.
You should take an umbrella today.
你今天应该带把伞。
You should take an umbrella today.
You should take an umbrella today.
Remember to call me later.
Remember to call me later.
记得晚点给我打电话。
Remember to call me later.
Remember to call me later.
I'm hungry. May I get noodles?
I'm hungry. May I get noodles?
我饿了。我可以吃面条吗？
I'm hungry. May I get noodles?
I'm hungry. May I get noodles?
Would you like some fresh fruit?
Would you like some fresh fruit?
你想吃点新鲜水果吗？
Would you like some fresh fruit?
Would you like some fresh fruit?
I need to borrow your umbrella.
I need to borrow your umbrella.
我需要借一下你的伞。
I need to borrow your umbrella.
I need to borrow your umbrella.
I'll help you pass the message.
I'll help you pass the message.
我会帮你传达这个消息。
I'll help you pass the message.
I'll help you pass the message.
It's cold. Wear your thick coat.
It's cold. Wear your thick coat.
天气冷，穿上你的厚外套。
It's cold. Wear your thick coat.
It's cold. Wear your thick coat.
Could you lend me your phone?
Could you lend me your phone?
你能把手机借我用一下吗？
Could you lend me your phone?
Could you lend me your phone?
My class starts in 10 minutes.
My class starts in 10 minutes.
我的课10分钟后开始。
My class starts in 10 minutes.
My class starts in 10 minutes.
Shall we leave a little earlier?
Shall we leave a little earlier?
我们要不要早点出发？
Shall we leave a little earlier?
Shall we leave a little earlier?
Can I see the drink menu?
Can I see the drink menu?
我可以看看饮料菜单吗？
Can I see the drink menu?
Can I see the drink menu?
I'd like warm milk and cookies.
I'd like warm milk and cookies.
我想要热牛奶和饼干。
I'd like warm milk and cookies.
I'd like warm milk and cookies.
This cup is small and cute.
This cup is small and cute.
这个杯子又小又可爱。
This cup is small and cute.
This cup is small and cute.
What's the cost of this cup?
What's the cost of this cup?
这个杯子多少钱？
What's the cost of this cup?
What's the cost of this cup?
Do you have this in white?
Do you have this in white?
这个有白色的吗？
Do you have this in white?
Do you have this in white?
Can I pay with cash here?
Can I pay with cash here?
这里可以用现金支付吗？
Can I pay with cash here?
Can I pay with cash here?
Any discounts for group buys?
Any discounts for group buys?
团购有折扣吗？
Any discounts for group buys?
Any discounts for group buys?
Where can I find a tissue?
Where can I find a tissue?
我在哪里能找到纸巾？
Where can I find a tissue?
Where can I find a tissue?
Thanks for reminding me. So kind.
Thanks for reminding me. So kind.
谢谢你提醒我。你真好。
Thanks for reminding me. So kind.
Thanks for reminding me. So kind.
Excuse me, which direction is west?
Excuse me, which direction is west?
打扰一下，哪个方向是西边？
Excuse me, which direction is west?
Excuse me, which direction is west?
Go straight and you'll arrive.
Go straight and you'll arrive.
直走就到了。
Go straight and you'll arrive.
Go straight and you'll arrive.
Could you help me hold this box?
Could you help me hold this box?
你能帮我拿一下这个盒子吗？
Could you help me hold this box?
Could you help me hold this box?
Is there a cafe close by?
Is there a cafe close by?
附近有咖啡馆吗？
Is there a cafe close by?
Is there a cafe close by?
Can you speak a little softer?
Can you speak a little softer?
你能说小声一点吗？
Can you speak a little softer?
Can you speak a little softer?
Could you say that once more?
Could you say that once more?
你能再说一遍吗？
Could you say that once more?
Could you say that once more?
The wind is strong today.
The wind is strong today.
今天风很大。
The wind is strong today.
The wind is strong today.
How do I get to the bookstore?
How do I get to the bookstore?
我怎么去书店？
How do I get to the bookstore?
How do I get to the bookstore?
Would you help me write this?
Would you help me write this?
你能帮我写这个吗？
Would you help me write this?
Would you help me write this?
I like sunny days very much.
I like sunny days very much.
我非常喜欢晴天。
I like sunny days very much.
I like sunny days very much.
That's a useful reminder for me.
That's a useful reminder for me.
这对我来说是个有用的提醒。
That's a useful reminder for me.
That's a useful reminder for me.
This apple is sweet and fresh.
This apple is sweet and fresh.
这个苹果又甜又新鲜。
This apple is sweet and fresh.
This apple is sweet and fresh.
You're very thoughtful. Thanks.
You're very thoughtful. Thanks.
你真体贴。谢谢。
You're very thoughtful. Thanks.
You're very thoughtful. Thanks.
I think that's good advice.
I think that's good advice.
我认为那是好建议。
I think that's good advice.
I think that's good advice.
Don't worry. I'll be careful.
Don't worry. I'll be careful.
别担心，我会小心的。
Don't worry. I'll be careful.
Don't worry. I'll be careful.
I truly appreciate your help.
I truly appreciate your help.
我真的很感谢你的帮助。
I truly appreciate your help.
I truly appreciate your help.
如果你对学习英语感兴趣，别忘了点赞、转发、订阅我们的频道，并打开小铃铛接收最新更新。